let's take a look at this beauty. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, two-door convertible. What a beautiful car. This car has had a restoration. Unfortunately, the gentleman that had a very nice collection of cars in our area passed away. The family has decided to liquidate the cars, so we have it here. It is now available to purchase. All of this gentleman's cars, very, very nice shape. He was a hot rod guy from way, way back, let's put it that way. Had his own hot rod shop, actually. As you can see, the paint on this one, very nice shape. Nice luster to it. Great finish. You can also see the bright work on this. Just take a look at that chrome front grille. All the chrome in this car, also in nice shape. This car you take to any of your local cruise-ins, wouldn't be afraid to show it at all, either at any of your local shows. Be a proud owner of this car and show it off a little, or take it out for a cruise here and there and drive it a little bit. Now, this vehicle was originally a Matador red paint car, so it would have had an 802 paint code. Still, as you can see, original color, riding on the wide whites there, wheel covers. Underneath the hood, Era Correct 283 paired with a Power Glide automatic transmission. Interior code was 683, so silver and red, and as you can see, still retains the silver and red colored interior. So again, pretty much the original way that this would have came off the showroom floor of the Chevy dealer in 1957, only maybe even a little nicer after being nicely restored. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have on this car. You can also check out the still pictures, underside, interior, under the hood. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. You can click on that. That'll take you there. This vehicle has had a Willwood front disc brake conversion done to it. You can see how nicely the bright work lines up at the seams of the doors. You can see how nice and even the seams of the doors are, and how straight this car is up and down it. Rear fender skirts. See, the interior is also in very nice shape. That's just kind of a little armrest cup holder that's added in there. It's not in there permanently. It can be moved, taken out, or use it. Top on this car is a white top, also in nice shape. It is power. Power top goes up and down fine. The other things I did notice when I was in here, played around a little bit with some of the equipment on this. Radio works fine. It's got a later model little digital Chevy styled radio in there. Wipers also worked, and I even noticed that the clock, if you take a peek, maybe you can see it there. Take a look at the clock, and the second hand is even clicking right along there. So the clock also appears to work. It's a very nicely restored car. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can sure assist you with getting this beauty to where you're located at. Come around to the rear. Again, check out how nice the bright work is. You can see how straight it is down the passenger side. And of course, nice Continental kit on the back of this one. There is a parade boot in the trunk. I noticed when I had that open also, and I think it should be in the still pictures. Again, check out those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or like I said, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on that. Our number we can be reached at 507-386-1726. And there'll be close-ups if you want to see the VIN, the data tag, and the still pictures. You can see all those also. Again, take a look up and down the driver's side. Matches the passenger side as far as the way everything lines up. Door gaps, how everything fits. Let's go ahead and start this up. It's a very nice sounding car too. 283's got a nice little rumble to it. All right, let's fire it up here. All right, see if it retains the stock looking dash. There's that little later model radio that's been added in there. Like I said, that does work. I did have the wipers working also. Beautiful car. You can hear how smooth that runs. Take a look at the floor mats. Got a little more modern, brighter interior lights in it also. Man, just look at those seats. Nicely, everything is finished. What a car. Nicely, that door closes. yourself up to the front. I'm going to pause this video a second, and I'll pop that hood. Let's check out the engine bay. See if it's as nice underneath there as the rest of this car is. All right, let's first off take a look underneath the hood. Nice and tidy, clean. Great looking engine compartment on this one. Nice and clean everything is on it. There's that 283. Like I said, did have a Willwood brake conversion on it. Front disc. Just gonna see how that engine runs. Engine bay matches the rest of the car. Nice and clean, tidy, great looking, great smooth running engine. There you have it. You're looking for one cool Tri-5? Here it is, 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible. Nicely restored. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Of course, uniqueclassiccars.com is the link down below in the description of this video. Click on it. That's where you're going to go to see the still pictures. Financing is available. We do consider trades. And of course, we can sure assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Give us a call.